Dear students, every day we are discussing the chapter of applications of differentiation. In the chapter applications of differentiation, now we are in the topic maxima minima. This is the topic maxima minima. Until yesterday, we have discussed about level 2 classwork. Level 2 classwork sums. 10 sums completed. Depends upon the increasing decreasing functions concept and stationary points concept. Now let us discuss about the subtopic local maximum, local minima from 11th onwards. 11th question. Let f of x is equal to, if he given f of x is equal to x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 10 has local max and min at x is equal to a and b respectively, and what is the value of a and b, local max and min. So to find the function f of x is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. So let us calculate the derivative 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 15x square equal to 0. 5x square taken common, it can be written as x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 first case, and by splitting the middle we get this one by factorization, x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Let us verify the option. 0 1 is there, 1 3, 1 0 is there. Let us discuss about whether it is where it is maximum and minimum. F of x is, he is giving the information to us that at x equal to a and x equal to b, the function is local max and local min. So whether the function is maximum or minimum at a given value, we should calculate the double derivative of the function, that is f double dash x. F double dash x is the derivative of f dash x. So here 20x cube minus 60x square plus 30x. So don't put x equal to 0. So this is no need, because f double dash x becomes 0, it is wrong. F double dash x should be greater than or less than. Now let us substitute the value 1, f double dash 1 here, minus 20 minus 60 plus 30. So that is equal to 30, 20, 50, 50 minus 60 minus 10 less than 0. So the value is maximum at 1 and minimum at 3. Max at 1, min at 3. The value is max at 1, comma, min at 3. He given the value local max at x equal to a and x equal to b. Therefore, a comma b should write as 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 are the values of a comma b. Now 12th question. The minimum of f of x is equal to, minimum of f of x is equal to 1 plus x square by 1 minus x plus x square occurs. Minimum value occurs at x is equal to dash. The minimum of value occurs at x equal to dash. Minimum of f of x. To find the function minimum, to find the function whether it is minimum or maximum, we should calculate the derivative f dash x is equal to 0. So using the u by v formula, vu dash minus uv dash by v square, here 1 minus x plus x square into 1 plus 2x, vu dash minus uv dash I am writing here 1 plus x square into denominator derivative this is 2x minus 1 whole by 1 minus x plus x square whole square equal to 0. You can get it equal to 0. If we multiply this one, there is no need to take common. Multiply 1 plus 2x minus x plus 2x square plus x square plus 2x cube minus of 2x minus 1 minus 2x square. 2x minus 1, this is plus 2x square. Plus 2x square minus x plus 2x cube minus x square equal to 0. Here we can write this one as 2x cube. 2x cube first, 2x square plus x square becomes 3x square. 2x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1 minus, this is 2x cube, you write 2x cube. Here 2x square minus x square plus x square becomes minus x square here, and 2x minus x plus x, so it becomes minus x and plus 1 equal to 0. 2x cube and 2x cube will get cancelled. 3x square minus x square can be written as 2x square plus x and minus x also got cancelled. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0. So if we take common, given here x is equal to minus 1 or plus 1, this is wrong, maybe some mistake. 1 minus u dash minus u dash by b square. U dash correct, minus u b dash correct. 1 plus 2x minus x, this is minus 2x square. Multiplying 1 plus 2x minus x, and this is minus 2x square. This is minus 2x square. Minus 2x square plus x square plus 2x cube minus, this is 2x minus 1 plus 2x square minus x plus 2x cube minus x square, it is okay. So here 2x cube is okay. Minus 2x square plus x square minus x square, we should write here. This is minus x square. 2x minus x plus x, this is okay, plus 1 okay. Minus 2x cube, this is 2x square minus x square, this is minus x square, 2x minus x, this is minus x and plus 1. 2x cube got cancelled. Now we can write this one as minus 2x square plus 2 equal to 0. So x square is equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1. So whenever x is equal to plus or minus 1, minimum value occurs, he is asking. Minimum value occurs. So whatever the value we got in numerator, now I am writing, now f dash x is equal to, we'll get the value in numerator like this, 2 into 1 minus x square whole by the denominator 1 minus x plus x square, 1 minus x plus x square. So now we should calculate the double derivative f double dash x equal to 0. F double dash x not equal to 0. F double dash x is equal to 2 into, like this we should write, 1 u dash minus u dash by v square. 1 minus x plus x square. 1 minus x plus x square into minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1 minus x square into 1 minus x plus x square whole dash whole by 1 minus x plus x square, 1 minus x plus x square whole square. Here students try to understand, whenever x square is equal to 1, this becomes a full 0, this is 0. So no need to calculate here. Try to understand, if you put x is equal to 1, it becomes minus 2. And if you put x is equal to minus 1, it is plus. So f double dash of right here, f double dash of minus 1 greater than 0. Therefore minimum at the function is minimum at x is equal to minus 1 is correct answer, because it should be becomes positive to get the minimum value. Let us discuss about 13th question. The least value of A for which the equation 4 by sin x plus 1 by 1 minus sin x for at least one solution in the interval. At least one solution in the interval 0, pi by 2 will given. 13th one, A is equal to 4 by sin x plus 1 by 1 minus sin x. At least one solution in one solution. At least one solution. One solution in 0, pi by 2. That is the given data. So minimum value we should calculate. To find min or max, the derivative of first derivative of function is 0. So here you should write f dash x. Let this one I am writing as f of x. F dash x is equal to 0. 1 by x model. This is minus 1 by x square model. Here you can write as minus 4 cos x by sin square x. And this one also minus cos x. Minus cos x by 1 minus sin x whole square equal to 0. Cos x taken common. Minus cos x taken common. You can write this one as 4 into 1 minus sin x whole square plus sin square x whole by this one sin square x into 1 minus sin x whole square equal to 0. Take the first case cos x equal to 0. So x is equal to pi by 2 according to given interval. Pi by 2 is open interval is there. So no, this one don't take. So now we should calculate this one. 4 into 1 minus sin x whole square. So we can write this one as 4 plus 4 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus sin square x is equal to 0. 4 sin square x plus 5 sin square, this is 5 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 4 is equal to 0. 5 4s are 20. Using the factors split in the middle term, we can write here minus 10 sin x plus 2 sin x. So it may be wrong. 4 minus 4 taken common, 1 minus sin x, this is minus cos x, absolutely right. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square and internal derivative minus cos x internal derivative minus 4 taken common, 4 into 1 minus sin x whole square plus sin square x, exactly right. So 4 plus 4 sin square x minus 8 sin x, this is also right. 5 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 4. Factor should be there. 5 4s are 20. Otherwise, let us write the formula minus b plus r would be square minus 4ac by 2a. Sin x is equal to, if we write sin x is equal to minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4 is 4 is 20, 24 is 18. So it is wrong. Once again we will verify. 4 by sin x plus 1 by 1 minus sin x, least value in the solution, f dash x 1 by sin x derivative 1 by x minus 1 by x square, right, and sin x derivative cos x plus 1 by 1 minus sin x minus sin x derivative minus cos x by 1 minus sin x whole square. If we take minus common, it becomes plus, there is no mistake. 4 plus 4 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus sin square x. 5 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 4. 64 minus 4 is 24 is 80. It is becoming wrong. The least value of A. Let us verify the question. sin x we got some value. B square minus 4ac, 4 5 are 20, 24 are 80 is wrong. 10. Let us do once again, can repeat this. There is no mistake in this sum, but here I am getting mistake. Let us verify the question. 13th question. The least value of a for which the equation f of x is equal to 4 by sin x. 4 by sin x plus 1 by 1 minus sin x. Let us calculate the derivative f dash x is equal to the derivative of 1 by x model minus 1 by x square minus 4 by x square means here sin square x into sin x derivative cos x plus the derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by 1 minus sin x whole square into minus sin x internal derivative minus cos x. Maybe I had a mistake here. Now for cos x we can take common here. Cos x into here we write minus 4 by sin square x. Here minus of minus plus. You can write 1 by 1 minus sin x whole square. 1 by 1 minus sin x whole square. 1 by 1 minus sin x whole square equal to 0. So cos x is equal to 0. We can write here cos x equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2. This one no need, because 0 in is discussing about the sum in 0 comma pi by 2 open interval. So this is no, don't take. This one taken this side. Now you can write as sin square x. This one. Sin square x minus 4 into 1 minus expansion 1 minus 2 sin x plus sin square x is equal to 0. Therefore, sin square x minus 4 plus 8 sin x minus 4 sin square x is equal to 0. Sin square x minus 4 sin square x, taken that side, it becomes 3 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 4 equal to 0. Here 3 4s are 12. So using that 12, using splitting middle term, we can write 3 sin square x minus 6 sin x plus 2 sin. Sin square x, here minus 4 plus 8 sin x minus 4 sin square x is there. Sin square x minus 4 sin square x minus 3 sin square x plus 8 sin x minus 4. What becomes minus 3 sin square x plus 8 sin x minus 4. Later next step, if we multiply with the minus 3 sin square x minus 8 sin x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is minus 6 sin square x minus 2 sin square x plus 4 equal to 0. 3 sin x taken common, it becomes sin x minus 2 minus 2 sin x taken common. 2 sin x taken common, it becomes sin x minus 2 equal to 0. So sin x equal to 2, this is wrong. Now you can take sin x is equal to 2 by 3. Substitute the value in f of x. F of x from 1 I am writing. Let this one f of x. 4 by this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by this is 1 by 3. 4 2s are, this is 6 plus 3, 9 total answer. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the minimum value. Next 14th question. Minimum value of sin x whole power sin x. Minimum value of sin x whole power sin x. Let the given function is in the form of exponential function in trigonometric function. Minimum value of sin x power sin x in the interval 0, pi by 2. Let us consider the function y is equal to sin x whole power sin x. Whenever the given function is in the form of x power x, exponential function, take logarithm both sides. So log y is equal to sin x into log of sin x. Log y equal to sin x into log of sin x. Differentiating both sides, we get 1 by y into y dash is equal to here sin x into cot x, uv dash plus vu dash model, sin x into cot x plus cos x. Sin x into cot uv dash plus vu dash, log sin x derivative 1 by sin x into sin x. Sin x will be getting cancelled and internal derivative cos x. So you can write here y dash is equal to y into y means this one sin x whole power sin x into sin x cot x can be written as again sin x into cos x by sin x plus cos x is equal to 0. Sin x and sin x will be getting cancelled here. So cos x, sin x and cot x, cos x plus log sin x into cos x, students. Here uv dash over vu dash log sin x into cos x. So log sin x also should write. So log sin x into cos x. This becomes a cot x, okay. And here we should write cos x into log sin x. Cos x into log sin x is equal to 0. Is taken that side, cos x you can take common, cos x within the brackets 1 plus log sin x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2 is open interval, don't write that one. So next step, log of sin x. Log of sin x to the base e is equal to minus 1. Therefore sin x is equal to e inverse. That's all. So sin x is equal to 1 by e. The minimum value exists at 1 by e. Fourth option. Next, 15th question. 15th question. Let us write a formula which we have discussed in synopsis. Which we have previously discussed in synopsis. Let us write the formula. Here he is asking maximum value. In synopsis is there. Maximum value of what he is asking? Sin power p. Let us discuss about the formula in synopsis. Sin power p cos power q. In page number 177, the formula I am writing sin power p theta. Page number 177, the synopsis. Page 177 formula. Sin power p theta he given. Sin power p theta dot sin power p theta dot cos power q theta attains maximum value at theta is equal to tan inverse p by q and max value. Max value of this function. Max value he given as p power p dot q power q by p plus q whole power p plus q. Whole power p plus q over root. P power p dot q power q by p plus q whole power p plus q over root. Now let us discuss regarding this formula. F of x is equal to, he given as sin square x plus cos cube x. So what is p here? Here p is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Let us write here the value, max value. I am writing the maximum value is equal to root of p power p means 2 square into 3 cube whole by 2 plus 3 5 whole power 5, that's all. 2 square value 4, 3 cube value 27, by this is 3125. 4 root 2 and this root 3 by the 3125. So 625 into 5 we can write. So 25 to 625 into 5, 25 root 5. 6 by 25 root 5 is there. This is 3 root 3 students. So 6 root 3 by 25 root 5 given as first option. 6 root 3 by 25 root 5. Next, 16th question. Maybe mistake is there in this question. The maximum value of f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. Sixteenth one, maximum value of f of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square into x minus 3. You should calculate the maximum value. To find the value is max or min, f dash x is equal to 0. So you, according to u dash formula, I am writing x minus 2 whole square into 1 plus x minus 3 into 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 you can take common in both. So here you can write x minus 2 plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 a value, and here 3x minus 8 equal to 0, so x is equal to 8 by 3. Let us calculate the second derivative also, double derivative. So f dash x, let us expand f dash x. F dash x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 2 into, multiply this one, x square minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x into 2 minus 10x plus 6 into 2, 12. Now f dash x is equal to 2x square plus x square, 3x square minus 14x, 3x square minus 14x plus 4, 12, 16, that's all, plus 16. Let us discuss about f double dash x to the function. 6x minus 14. Substitute the value here 2. He is asking maximum value. So f double dash 2, if you substitute, it becomes minus 2 less than 0. So it is max. Whenever f double dash is less than 0, we will get the max value. Now you substitute the value 2. So f of 2, if you substitute in here, it becomes 0. The value is 0 is the maximum. Here fourth option. Let us discuss about given fourth option. It is right. Now 17th question. Students, this is IMP for MSET. MSET, ESET like that. 2x plus y is equal to 5, then max value of given I am writing. The data given 2x plus y is equal to 5. So you can write here y is equal to 5 minus 2x. He given, you should calculate the maximum value of f of x is equal to x square plus 3xy plus y square. Find max, I am writing here, find max value. Maximum value of this function. So to calculate the maximum value of any function, the function should not be in two variables, it should be in one variable. We should write two variables into one variable. F of x is equal to x square plus 3x into, instead of y, we substitute the value 5 minus 2x. And here also 5 minus 2x whole square I am writing. Now f double dash f dash x equal to 0. Let us expand, it is better. Otherwise uv dash like that you may get. F of x expanding this one. X square plus this is 15x minus this is 6x square plus this is 25 plus 4x square minus 2 5 are 10 2s are 20x. Now again f of x is equal to 4x square plus x square 5x square minus 6x square minus x square. 15x minus 20x you can write here minus 5x. And the constant value we got 25. This is f of x we got minus 5x square and minus 5x plus 25. To find the function f of x is min or max, f dash x equal to 0. Now you can write minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. You will get the value x is equal to minus 5 by 2. If you substitute the value x is equal to minus 5 by 2 here, you will get y is equal to 5 plus 5, 10. 5 minus 2 into minus 5 by 2, 10. So f of x is equal to here, directly you can substitute x here. F of minus 5 by 2. So no need to calculate about this one also. F of minus 5 by 2. Here you can write minus 25 by 4 minus of minus plus, this is 25 by 2 plus 25. Take an LCM, 4 25s are 100. So this is 100 plus 50, 150. Let us write here, by 4 take an LCM. Here you can write minus 25 plus here you can write 50 and here you can write 100. 150 minus 25. This is 125 by 4. 125 by 4 is the maximum value of given function. This is previous MSET question. This 125 by 4. This is not in mains. Mains question may gives during multi-concept. According to multi-concept questions, he may gives in mains questions. Students, now let us discuss about 18th question. 18th question. A cubic function of x has minimum value 10 and maximum value 10 and minimum value minus 5 by 2 when x equal to minus 3 and x equal to respectively. Let us verify the options, it is better. Let us verify the options. Verify option 1. F of x is equal to, f of x is equal to 1 by 5 x cube plus 3 by 10 x square. 1 by 5 x cube plus 3 by 10 x square minus 18 by 5 x plus 19 by 10. A cubic function x has max at 10. The function has maximum value at 10 and minimum at maximum value at 10 and minimum at minus 5 by 2. Minimum at minus 5 by 2. This is f of x. So f dash x substitute. F dash x 3x square by 5 plus 3 is 6x by 5, 2 5 times you will be getting answer 3 by 5x plus this is 18 by 5. If you put is equal to 0, 3 by 5 taken common, x square plus x plus 18 equal to minus x square plus x minus 18 equal to 0. X square plus x minus 18 equal to 0. So factors are 9 2s are, 6 3s are, there is no splitting. 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 6 here. Whenever you take common with 3 by 5, you can write 6 equal to 0. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X taken common, x plus 3 and minus 2 taken common, x plus 3. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 3 are the values. Substitute the values here. Now f of min max yet 10 he is saying. Max yet 10 and min yet minus 5 by 2. The values should not be here. The function, a cubic function, x has minimum value, maximum value 10, not yet students, value is 10. So let us discuss about second derivative, not yet, maximum value 10 and a minimum value minus 5. Max value equal to 10. Minimum value is equal to minus 5 by 2. So x is equal to 2 is there. Let us discuss about f double dash x also. F double dash x value here 3x to 3 are 6 by 5. Here you can write 6 by 5x plus 3 by 5. Now if you substitute the value f double dash 2, 6 to the 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 greater than 0. F dash double dash 2 greater than 0. It means min at x is equal to 2. Next, if you substitute the value f double dash of minus 3, obviously you get less than 0. So max at x is equal to minus 3. You substitute the value f of 2. So it becomes 8 by 5 plus 4 3s are 12 by 10. 12 by 10 you can write 6 by 5. Minus 8 into the 36 by 5. 36 by 5 plus 19 by 10. 8 6 14. 14 minus 36. 14 minus 36. 22. Minus 22 by 5. Minus 22 by 5. This one. Minus, take an LCM, it becomes minus 44. Minus 44 plus 19 by 10. This is minus 25 by 10. So minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Yes, it is min value. Yes, it is correct. Let us verify max also. So f of minus 3, you can write here minus 27 by 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 square is 9. 9 is 27. 27 by 10. 27 by 10 minus 18 into, this is plus 54 by 10 plus 54 by 10 plus 19 by 10. Take an LCM for this one as 10. This is minus 54 plus 54 becomes 0. 27 plus 19, 46 by 10. So it is 10 indicated here. This is minus 54, you can write. Minus 54 plus 27 plus 3 by 10 minus 18. This is minus 3 plus 3. Here x is equal to 2 completed. Let us substitute the value x equal to minus 3 here. Minus 3 cube minus 27. Minus 27 by 5 plus 3 by 10 into minus 3 whole square. 9 to 27 by 10 minus 18 into minus of minus plus 3. 54 by 10 plus 19 by 10. This is taken LCM minus 54 plus 10 plus 54 plus 19 whole by 10. 54 and 54 got cancelled. 27 plus 19. 46 by 10, 4.6. Students, you verify whether it is problem or wrong, anything you verify. Otherwise, if the first option is not correct, you do homework whether it is second option or third option, like that. Let us discuss about 19th question. 19th question. If xy into y minus x is equal to 16, xy into y minus x is equal to 16. 19th. Xy into y minus x is equal to 16. Then y has a minimum value when x is equal to, y has a minimum value. This is called as implicit function. Y has a minimum value n when x is equal to dash. Xy into y minus x is equal to 16 he given. So that implies we can write here xy square minus x square y equal to 16. Xy square minus xy square minus x square y is equal to 16. Differentiating both sides we get differentiating both sides x into 2y into y dash minus, so here uv dash plus vu dash formula we should write x into y square derivative 2y into y dash plus y square into this is 1. This is also in the same way x square into y plus, so here minus 2x into y, this is equal to 0. Y dash taken common. Y dash taken common, you can write 2xy minus x square. These terms taken that side, you can write 2xy minus y square. So y dash is equal to 2xy minus y square whole by 2xy minus x square. To find the function y is min or max, the y dash should be equal to 0. That implies here you can write y square minus 2xy equal to 0 or 2xy minus y square equal to 0. Y taken common, you can write here y minus 2x equal to 0. This is y minus 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Don't write here y equal to 0 is not correct because it is 16. Don't take this one, it is wrong. So, y is equal to 2x is right. Y is equal to 2x you can take. Whenever you take y is equal to 2x, according to option, he is asking about minimum value when x is equal to, what is x? Substitute in this one, when y is equal to 2x. Here you write y is equal to 2x. Then let us discuss about the value of x and y both. Y is equal to 2x. From 1 I am writing here. Let it be 1. From 1. If y is equal to 2x, you can write here 2x square into 2x minus x. It becomes x is equal to 16. So 2x cube is equal to 16, x cube is equal to 8. You can write x is equal to 2. He is asking about the value x only. So x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Now let us discuss about 20th question. 20. F of x is equal to, the value he given f of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Let us write the expansion, it is better. Otherwise, you can get the derivative uv w dash, u dash v w plus uv dash w plus uv w dash. Better to expand this one. So you can write here x cube minus 11x square, 6x square. According to theory of equation chapter, students try to understand what I am writing. X cube, this is the first one. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma. So 6x square here you write. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Next one you can write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 1, 3. So 1 into 2, that is 2 plus 2 into 3, 6. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 3, 11. 11x minus alpha beta gamma 1, 2, 3. So this is the shortcut of multiplication of this number. Now let us discuss of f dash x. So this is 3x square minus 12x plus 11. 3x square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0. To find the function, whether the function is min or max, minimum he is asking. 3x square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0. You write. 3 11s are 33, there is no factors. If there is no factors, use the formula minus b plus r minus would be square minus 4ac by 2a. Here 12 plus r minus root b square is 144 minus 4 to 12, 12 into 11 equal to 132 whole by 6. So x is equal to, you can write here 12 plus or minus 144 minus 132 becomes 12. So you can write here 2 root 3 whole by 6. Now you can write here 2 plus 2 root 3 by 6, 2 by 3, root 3 by 3, 1 by root 3, plus or minus 1 by root 3. But according to options, two options he given, 2 plus 1 by root 3 given and 2 minus 1 by root 3 is also given. You should decide whether the value plus or minus. 2 plus 1 by root 3 we got. 2 plus 1 by root 3 comma 2 minus 1 by root 3. If he given regarding critical points are min and max both like that in advanced question, two options are right. But this is minus question, only one option is correct. So let us discuss about f double dash x. What is the derivative of f double dash x? 6x minus 12 here. 6x minus 12 is there. Now substitute the value f double dash of 2 plus 1 by root 3. If you may get the value is greater than 0, it is min. If you may get the value less than 0, it is max. So 6 into 2 plus 1 by root 3, what is the value? 6 to the 12, 12 and 12 will be getting cancelled, 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3 is positive, greater than 0, it is min. So wherever the function is minimum value, what he is asking, min or max? So he is asking min. Min value at x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Simply you write min at 2 plus 1 by root 3. 20 questions completed. Let us discuss 21 question now. 21 question also the concept of absolute maximum or absolute minimum. F of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square into 11 minus x is maximum at x is equal to his asking. F of x equal to x minus 2 whole square. F of x is equal to x minus 2 whole square into 11 minus x is maximum. Yet what is the value? X minus 2 whole square into f dash x is equal to, find the function f of x is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. So x minus 2 whole square into minus 1 here plus 11 minus x into 2 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 you take common, it becomes minus x plus 2 plus 22 minus 2x equal to 0. One value is x is equal to 2 and another value here, this is 2, 22, 24 equal to 3x, so x is equal to 8. So we got critical points x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 8. Whether the function is min or max, where the function, he is asking about maximum yet x is equal to, maximum yet f double dash f dash x minus 2 whole square into 11 minus x, u v dash x minus 2 whole square to minus 1 plus 11 minus x into 2 into x minus 2, correct? X minus 2 taken common, 1 x minus 2 is there, minus x plus 2 plus 1 x minus 2 taken common, 2 11s are 22 and minus 2x, 2x minus x 3x 24, it is correct. X is equal to 8. According to option, let us verify 21st question. 21st question he given fourth option, because if you substitute the value here it becomes 0. If you substitute the value f of x is equal to 8 minus 2 whole square to 11 minus 8, some value you may get. If you are having any doubt, you verify with f double dash x. I am giving work to you that find f double dash x and verify, it is better. Now today last question, 22nd question. Maximum value of x plus 5 whole power 4. Max value of x plus 5 whole power 4 into 13 minus x whole power 5. X plus 5 whole power 4 into 13 minus x whole power 5. Let us discuss about f dash x equal to 0, students. So we can write here 4 into x plus, let us discuss UV model. X plus 5 whole power 4 into 5 into 13 minus x whole power 4 into minus 1 plus 13 minus x whole power 5 plus 13 minus x whole power 5 into 4 into x plus 5 whole cube equal to 0. Let us take common x plus 5 whole cube into 13 minus x whole power 4. So here you can write 5x plus 25. 5x plus 25 into minus 1. So let us write minus 5x minus 25. Minus 5x minus 25 plus 13 minus x whole power 4 taken common. 13 minus x taken common whole power 4. Then you can write here 13 minus x into 4. 4 13s are 52 minus 4x. This is equal to 0. So x is equal to, we got the critical points as x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 13. This is minus 9x. Minus 9x minus 77. X plus 5 whole cube we have taken common. 13 minus x whole power 4 taken common. 13 minus x 4 13s are, and it's okay. 77. 9x minus 77 means 2 table, 3 table will not be divided. Just wait. Maximum value x plus 5 whole power 4 into 13 minus x whole power 5. UV dash x plus 5 whole power 4 into 5 into 13 minus, exactly right. 13 minus x whole power 5 into this one. This is 4 into x plus 5 whole cube. This is also right. X plus 5 whole cube taken common. X plus 5 whole cube. X plus 5 should be there. Multiplied with minus 5. 13 minus x whole power 4 taken common. Minus 5x minus 25. 13 minus x whole power 4 taken common. 4. This is plus 52. Now it's okay. So minus 9x plus 27 equal to 0. So x is equal to, this is minus plus 27. X is equal to 3. 3 critical points we got. First critical point is minus 5 and second critical point is 13 and third critical point is 3. If you substitute the value 3 here, once you verify, students, you may get 0 here, so no need to put the value. Now I am writing here f of 3. What is the value of 3 plus 5? 8. 8 to power 4. And what is the value of 13 minus 3? 10 power 5. 8 to power 4 into 10 power 5 value is there, third option. Okay, completed today. Minimum maximum concept, let us discuss tomorrow.